Here's my dry painting from a couple days ago. So this is the one that I did with the black and white color block base. Then I did the silver, gold, and rose gold on top. It's so beautiful. I love the composition. This one dried perfectly. Hello and welcome. Today I will be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. As promised, this is going to be my straight pour experiment. So the colors that I have here are colors that I previously layered in a cup about 24 hours ago. So the cup that I'm pouring out now, this is my cup layering experiment. Once I am done pouring this cup, I will go ahead and layer my second cup for the straight pour that I will do right next to my experiment pour. I'm really interested to see the results though for both of them, because I feel like with the straight pour technique, you always get those finger links and just different interesting designs, and the way the colors blend is always so beautiful. The straight pour still remains my favorite technique in the acrylic pouring world. So here I'm just popping some air bubbles right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and start layering my second cup, and I will stop talking now. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. So as promised, this is my straight pour cup layering experiment. So this side that I'm showing you now, this is the side that I poured from the cup that I layered on camera. And as I get more to this side, as you can see, as I was tilting most of the cup layering experiment pour that I did first, most of that was tilted off the canvas. And at first I thought I had too much paint on the canvas, but actually I feel like now that it's all stretched out, I had just enough paint on the canvas so that I can manipulate the composition to how I want it. It's just that the darker part of this cup layering experiment was the one that was more in the center of the canvas. That's why this is all that I have left. So most of like the reds and the purples and the green and the blue, most of that was tilted off during the stretching process because it was on the outer part of the straight pour that I poured on the canvas. So yeah, I really do like the composition. It reminds me of most of the straight pours that I did very early on in my fluid art career. But I do love the colors. I think they do flow well together. And I actually may change the orientation of this painting. So as I'm looking at it now, I can sort of see what side that I would like to display it. But overall, I really do like doing these experiments side by side because you can really see how the colors will blend and mix together. I really am happy with this composition. And for my next 2 to 3 videos, I will be doing commissions that I'm working on for some family members and a friend. So stay tuned for those. I can't wait to show you the colors that I'll be working on for the first commission. But yeah, that's it. Here's the wet results and here is the dry results. So at first I thought I wasn't going to be able to show you the dry results in this video, but here it is. And I'm outside in the beautiful sun, so I'm going to give you a nice close-up. I love the way these colors dry. There's metallic throughout, of course, and my purple was mixed with some metallics. I love how there is definitely contrast between each side and section of the canvas. Very pretty. Thank you for watching.